Okay, so the side piece here, the battery probably is low. Let's see. First thing we'll do, we'll pull up the choke, turn it on. Okay. It's okay. Here's the battery on this puppy. Let me move this out of the way here. So your riding mower doesn't have a battery like your car battery. It's usually a smaller battery for your riding mower. And that's what we have here. I got this, I picked this up online. Goes a 12 volt right here. It can charge. It's called the GBX45. It's a really small battery. Let me see if I can measure this for you. So this battery, it's a little, about 2 inches smaller than my hand. So maybe 3 inches. So it's about 7 inches. Okay, so yeah, it's about 7 inches. 7 inches by 2 inches. So you can fit this in your glove box. This is something that you would also might want to keep around your tool shed, in your car. But let's see if it'll jump this puppy. Now I'm going to show you. It also charges the USB-C, and then the bag. The bag has what's in here. Oh, look at that. USB-C right here. And yeah, a little cap on there. So you can charge your phone with this. So I'm gonna put this in here, and then red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black. Turn it on. Here we go. And now let's see.